प्लीज यार निमिषा सुबह सुबह उल्टी मत करो।
No, it's not a good morning. Oh.
I just don't know. I'm not feeling myself. I'm not feeling confident. And today I'm also making dal bati. I'll share with you guys the recipe. I was not even able to see what is like 4 feet from me. It just makes me so kind of.
After spending good 4 to 5 hours, I just picked I guess 3 to 4 pieces. Somebody is up. Good morning. No, it's not a good morning. Oh. हिंदी सुनाना है? मैं क्या सुनाऊं हिंदी में आपको? आलू को चालू सुनाओ? नहीं। सूरज दादा? नहीं। Look at your hair. Your hair is so long.
ऐसी वाली आती है धोने के बाद?
नहीं।
तो बस कंफर्म करना है कि यही है कि नहीं। अरे तो बस
नहीं वो धोने के बाद भी ऐसी है।
हाँ तो वही तो धोने के बाद वैसी आती है। कंफर्म करने के लिए करना पड़ेगा।
तुम एक काम कर जो हाँ वो जो धुली हुई है ना तुम्हारी।
अरे मैं वहाँ जाऊंगा।
नहीं हाँ बेटा प्लीज यार निमिषा सुबह सुबह उल्टी मत करो। हाँ, क्या बेटा चलो ब्रश करो। इनकी अपनी एलर्जी चलती है। Sit down here, okay? Just like this, hang in here. Okay, hi guys, good morning. So I have some plans for today. The first plan, the biggest plan is to get out and do shopping for myself because I am really bored with all the clothes that I have in my closet. Some of them are from last year and this year too, but I just don't know. I'm not feeling myself. I'm not feeling confident in the outfits that I have in my closet anymore. So today my plan is to go shop for myself, and today I'm also making dal bati for lunch and dinner both, so that we are good to go for the whole day. I'll share with you guys the recipe as well, but for now we are going to nourish Nirvi's hair malish, you know. I use this sarson ka tel in the winter because its properties are like, it is hot, so it's good to use hot oils which are naturally hot. We use coconut oil when it is summer, so just to keep ourselves cold from outside as well. So for bati I have taken 6 cup of flour for both the time lunch and dinner, and I'm gonna add some ajwain to it. Then I'm gonna add some jeera to it, a little bit more jeera, and I think a little bit more ajwain because it tastes so good. Then I'm gonna add some baking powder to it. To this, now I'm gonna add some salt. Now that everything has been added, I'm gonna just give it a good mix before adding ghee to it for mohan. So now I'm gonna add ghee. Some people also like to add oil in this, and it's completely your choice. I like the taste of ghee. Dal bati without ghee is just like nothing. And now slowly I'm gonna add water and make a dough. Make sure to make a very tight dough. Well, not very tight, but at least tight dough, the way we make for puris.
Let's start preparing dal. So for it, take a pan, heat it, add some oil or ghee, then add cumin seeds and mustard seed, let it crack, and then add asafoetida, which is also hing, and then add slit chilies, crushed or paste of ginger and garlic, and then give it a mix just a little bit, and then add half or one medium size onion, give it a good mix again, and then it's time to add tomato. Now at this time you can also add little bit of water if you think it is getting a little dry. Then add chili powder, turmeric powder, garam masala and coriander powder, and also salt to taste. Give it a mix and let it get mushy by itself, or you can again add little bit of water if you want. And when it is done, then you can add the cooked dal that we had soaked and add water to make a thin consistency of it. We had taken 3 dal, which is masoor ki dal, tur dal and also moong dal. And now I'm making litti. So once I'm done making all the littis, I have already preheated my oven on 400 degrees Fahrenheit. I'll keep it for 20 minutes and let it just cook, and if you want you can also keep it for next 10 minutes or so more, and yeah, it will be all ready. घी सब खेलते नहीं, घी को खाते हैं। थैंक यू। ठीक है, अब खाते हैं। यहाँ पे थोड़ा ऐसे, ठीक है। नाउ लेट इट कूल डाउन। ठीक है। This is my third attempt to set the camera and talk to you guys about my specs, but it's just a gloomy day and the light is so bad, and it just makes me so kind of. Coming back to my glasses, they are power glasses. I have powered since I was in 5th grade, but I was not regular in wearing them in a school or college. But after marriage we moved to Chennai, and in Chennai it was really hot and humid, so I got my eyes checked and I had power, so I got glasses and I started wearing them regularly. But it was not that regular, but when I gave birth to Nirvi, it was intense and my eyes just gave up. So I got my eyes checked again. I was not even able to see what is like 4 feet from me, so I wasn't able to watch television. I wasn't able to look into my phone for a little longer as well. So got my eyes checked, and since then I'm really habitual of wearing glasses, even though my powers are in just -0.5, 0.25. It's not that big of a deal if I do not wear, but it's just I have got this habit, and my eyes work really well with them, and if I'm not wearing them, it's kind of okay inside the house but not really fun outside. I just get headaches. Guys, it is so weird to do shopping in the mall these days because first of all, look at this. This doesn't even feel like a mall, and second thing, fitting rooms in majority of the stores are closed, so you just have to buy, try it out at home, otherwise you can return it. That's how it is going. Okay, so now I have got myself KFC, which is plant-based burger, and it's good, not the best, but it's kind of good. Got my Pepsi. Just gonna finish this and go quickly home because I'm really hungry. I want my real lunch. After spending good 4 to 5 hours, I just picked, I guess, 3 to 4 pieces. I'm very picky when it comes to clothes, really picky. So going back home, we were in Guildford, not we, just me. I was in Guildford Mall. Going back now. I'm really full with the burger. I thought like it will not be enough, but it was enough. Okay, see you then. Okay guys, so I'm back. It's a little later now. So I have got this turtleneck in beautiful green color, which is not looking, I mean my camera is not picking up the real green which it is, in the size medium. Then I got a legging for me. I was really looking for a good quality black legging for so long. It does not have pocket again, but like the material, it's so awesome. Then I got another turtleneck. It is in peachish pink, which is absolute gorgeous, and yeah, in the size medium again. Then I was really looking for these kind of pants in affordable prices, so I got this one from H&M, and it has elastic, so it's a really good one. You can just pull it down, pull it up. So yeah, this was it. After spending good 5 hours, I got only 4 pieces. My initial thought was to get at least 10 pieces to start my new closet and get rid of all the old, but that is not looking practical for now. I'll go shopping slowly to get the good pieces in my closet. The color palette that I want all the pastel and the nudish earthish color in my closet now. I'm just done with very poppy colors. Maybe I'll get some floral, maybe I'll get some patterns in the spring and summer, but with that we will see. So yeah, this was it. I really hope that you guys enjoyed today's vlog. Yeah, and all the shopping was in $100. Okay, excuse me for that. So yeah, I really hope that you guys enjoyed. Give it a thumbs up if you did, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye.